So here we'll call it app icons. Now here we are going to create something that is called singleton. Okay, now what is singleton? Singleton has only one instance throughout your app. Okay, so it makes sure only one, not the second one. It does it to avoid a lot of instances, which is not necessary. So you have only one instance and you can use them throughout in your app. But of course, those properties that it should point to, they should not be changeable. Now here I'm going to declare a property which is called static const, and then we can say font fam. Okay, and after that over here we are going to create a variable that actually we want to return. So here we would call it icon data, and then so here we'll create our own icon data, and then inside this we'll send our icon code. So OXE808, I think this is what we want. And then after that we'll create our font family. Now here our font family is font fam, the one we created. Then we'll return, and I guess we need to import a package, otherwise we'll get this error. Now it is gone. Now with this is our very simple singleton class, where we have a private constructor, which also means that you can't create an instance because the constructor is private as you work with this, like this underscore. Okay, so this kind of format where you have a class name and then you have your constructor is private, and of course you have some static properties inside this. So this is called singleton class. Now as we created it, so all we need to do, we need to go ahead and call this, and then we can call any of the properties using this class name. All right, so we'll come over here, our question card, and we know that inside this we have over here. So we can just simply replace this because our class name is app icons, this one. So this is our singleton class. And then we can refer to trophy outline. Okay, and that as simple as that one. And if you save it, we'll see that it changes here. Let's save it. Yes, it did. And this is what I was talking about, and this is what we wanted. It's beautiful. Right, so over here we created our own singleton class, but are there any other examples that we see in Flutter that is singleton? Yes, there are tons of singleton example. One of them is Firebase instance, the one we create. So let's take a look at this instance. Over here we see we have Firebase Firestore instance, and that's a singleton instance of Firebase Firestores. So there are a lot of instances in Flutter app. You should explore them. Anyway, it's not good practice to use too many singleton classes or singleton class instances in your app because they are not good for unit test. So you need to take care of that one. Apart from that, it's really handy, beautiful, and keeps your code simple.